Changing schools is a cold ocean wave slapping you in the face. You're feeling all these different emotions at the same time. The anxiety and stress take over. When I first started middle school, the transition was rough. All the new teachers, all of the homework quickly added to my stress. Eczema appeared on my arms and neck. I was feeling constantly overworked. So I started meeting with the school counselor. It helped, but not fully. I'll always have anxiety no matter what. I adapted to middle school and started feeling comfortable in the new environment I was in. I am now in 8th grade and I can feel my anxiety coming back, since I've now started worrying about my high school applications and the significant change in homework. I'm not the only one experiencing mental health challenges. According to the 2023 federal survey, about 4.5 million adolescents have experienced a major depressive episode in the past year. Additionally, the latest 2023 CDC Youth Risk Behavior Survey found that 2 in 5 high schoolers reported persistent feelings of sadness or helplessness. This data rates higher for girls at 53% and teens who are part of the LGBTQ+ community at 65%. Raise your hand if you've ever felt overwhelmed about entering a new school. I know I have. Well, before the start of a new middle school or high school, you can do orientation tours, shadow visits, and social and academic workshops. These tactics help guide you in finding your people so that you might be less anxious for the incoming school year. Free mental health services in schools are extremely important because students can't always get those resources outside of school. When a student is getting those resources, not only are they more ready to learn, but they learn to self-advocate. According to Rachel Challenge, a nonprofit organization, teaching mental health in schools promotes self-care and physical well-being, encouraging students to talk about their feelings and reducing bullying. Now that I've given you all this knowledge, when you leave this room, you have a choice of what you're going to do with this information. If you are a student, make sure to speak up about how you're feeling. Find somebody that will listen and appreciate you. Remember that you matter. Parents, support these programs in schools. These programs are helping your student grow and flourish. Educators, if you notice a student who may be struggling, instead of critiquing them, find a way to be a guiding mentor. I am not a licensed professional, but what I do know is mental health is something that needs to be taken seriously. If you or someone you know needs serious help, please look into these sources. You are not alone. In 5 months, I will be leaving the school I've been at for almost a decade. Am I extremely nervous? Yes, but I know that I'm ready to face that cold ocean wave and start my new journey.